This is actually the 14th annual National Consumer Protection Week, and the Consumer Affairs Branch pairs with the state, local, and federal government to do different events to really get the consumer thinking about things.
So 1 out of 4 Virginians is missing money, and they may be aware of it, but a lot of people have no idea. So I'm with the Virginia Department of the Treasury, and we're here returning money. As you can see behind me, Don has a sign that says we've returned over $2,000 and 50 shares of stock.
You simply come and you give your name in different places that you actually lived in Virginia. They'll look it up. If for some reason they find funds, you'll be due a refund. So we have them here today, and we actually have them tomorrow at South County building.
And missing money can come from anything. It could be a business, it could be an overpayment to a locality. So we're thinking tax refunds, payroll checks, uncashed dividends, bank accounts that get left alone too long. We've collected over $1 billion, actually $1.5 billion, in the last 50 years. But your money is available to be claimed forever. If you can't come by today, it's not a problem. You can always go to our website, vamoneysearch.org.
The Consumer Branch, we mediate complaints, we provide advice, and we also do outreach. But the bottom line is we want to provide people with good tools to make them a savvy consumer. You can contact us by telephone, 703-222-8435, or actually our website, which has wonderful information on education. It's www.fairfaxcounty.gov/consumer. And you can file a complaint, you can look up a business, you can, ask us advice.